to fix Afterpay payment not going through. So in here, the very first thing that I recommend you guys do is ensure all overdue or upcoming Afterpay orders are fully paid in full to clear all of the account restrictions. So in here, after making sure that if it's still not working, then another thing that you can do is simply ensure your card expiration date. So it could be your CVV, and also your billing address should also match exactly. Make sure that all of your card details are valid and legitimate. So after doing that, if it's still not working, then lastly what you can do is attempt a lower amount. So lower your shopping cart total to stay within your dynamic approval limit and see if that works or not. So after doing all of these, if it's still not working, then lastly I would recommend you guys to simply contact the customer service. I'm pretty sure they will be able to fix your issue. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.